So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to insert a bar chart here on Google Docs. So if I wanted to insert a bar chart, go to the top left, press Insert, then scroll down to where it says Chart, go ahead and select Bar. It'll take a couple seconds, but insert a bar chart like this. Now, if you want to go ahead and actually insert the chart, you can go ahead, press on the chart right here, select these three dots, and then open the source this way. What this is going to do here, or even the linked objects like this, it's going to go ahead and bring you to a Google Sheets page where you can go ahead and edit the data right here. Once you guys are in this page right here, you can go ahead and view different options right here. So you can go ahead and change the color of the chart if you want. There you go, bunch of different options there. You can go ahead and do what you got to do and basically play around with it this way. But if all looks good to you, you have your bar chart in front of you. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can insert a bar chart on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.